Today, we're going to film an episode of the Neon Joystick. It's early in the morning. What time is it? 7:53. We're going to play Shinobi for the NES with some cheats because it's hard. And maybe we'll also, if I feel like it, we'll play it on the arcade and do a compare. Oh yeah, I understand this. What about Michael Jackson? I get a hurricane for a Kanye West.
Why is he down there? What is he?
Why am I fighting Andre the Giant? I could not have done that without cheats. No, you got me. You failed at life. Brack Turtle. Oh, I did it. I get a rope for sexy time. I don't know if that's what I was supposed to do. Wreck turtle destroyed. Mandara. We called this bullshit. I got stuck in an infinite loop of being kicked into a corner. I should have called it Real Life Simulator. Let's play it on arcade and see how much better it can be. You take on the role of Joe Musashi, a shinobi ninja who must fight his way through 5 tough missions, each made up of between 3 to 5 stages. So that's like 25 levels. Kidnap ninja children of the Iga clan. Holy crap, this is just taking me back to Ninja Scroll. Alright. Let's fire it up. Look, I got Shinobi and Shinobi 3. The quest to find Shinobi 2, I suppose. So already you can tell that it's more ninja-like than the Nintendo version where you look like a soldier. Let's add some quotas. Mission 1. In the bomb. How'd that feel, sucker? Oh. Well, now I know my buttons. Michael. Now, that kind of looks like a poster of Hitler on the wall there. Come on, Chunk. Why do I have a gun now? Is that a power-up? Because I preferred the throwing stars. No. Oi. Hiya. I caught it with my teeth. Well, shit. You rock discipline. Clomper Stomper. Right to the face! Kano. So close. So hard. That was all I needed to do before the special that would have taken him out. Hoo-yah! Double fingers! Mission 1. Welcome to the bonus stage. Ah! That's way better than the other one. You failed! Now we can absolutely 100% see where they were going with the Nintendo version, but guy looked like he was shooting a gun at all times. He looked like a soldier, not a ninja. I couldn't tell if they were children or just people huddled up that he was saving. And it had that Nintendo hard difficulty. I mean, I only got to the end of whatever level because of my cheating. What is that? Next time, let's try a real challenge of Ninja Gaiden. Ninja Gaiden? You decide.